Question 16 is 2 marks. The question says use algebra to show that 0.37878 occurring is equal to 25/66. To do this question, we first assume this is x. So x equals 0.378. Because the 7, 8 are repeating, we'll just write them again, and that's enough. Now, try to move some numbers before the decimal. So just multiply by 10. So 10x equals, this number will jump, the point will just come here. So you will have 3.7878 repeating. Compare the decimal part. Does this decimal looks like this decimal? Are they the same? No, they are not. So you continue multiplying by 10. So 10 times 10 is 100x equals, again, this will jump here, 37.8787. Again, compare the decimal. Does this one look like this or this? No, it doesn't look like any. So we just continue multiplying by 10 again. So it's going to be 1000x now is equal to, this again will jump, so it's 378.7878. We stop, we compare again. Does this one look like this, this, or this? Yes, this looks like this. Look at that, 7878, and this is 7878. Yeah, so they are the same. In such case, you just subtract this minus this. So 1000 minus 10 is 990x is equal to, the decimal part cancels. 0.7878 minus 0.7878 will just cancel. And then 378 minus 3, what's 378 minus 3? Is 375, right? Very good. Up to this point, we did a lot of work, we did an amazing job. Now we just need to find x, so we do 990, divide by 990, this cancel this, so you have x equal 375 over 990. Once you get to this point, write equals, and just write this, 25/66, and that's enough. If you plug it in your calculator, it will already give you this number, 66. It will give you the same. So you don't need to reduce this little like step by. No, that's a lot of work. Now this is it, and that's your full mark. Now question 17, it looks fun.